let's get it. Showed up around midnight, house party with the dim light. Down the hall door on the right, you should know my appetite. I grabbed the one with the light skin and the blonde-haired Mexican. I get sweat but I don't swim. I turned around and I looked at him. Let's go. Let's get it.